You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing names, including of Greek origin, like this one, this is indeed from Greek origin, meaning prophetess or oracle. Stay tuned, I've got many more confusing names for you. English pronunciation, Sybil is the most common pronunciation. There's an alternate spelling where the Y and the I are reversed. Sybil, C, a short E sound, Sybil. Stress on the first syllable, Sybil. It's easy once you know. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know so we know a bit better. Sybil. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.